Game ball.
Bakit ko na po naman ka?
Yeah. Kay Jim po lang bola. Doctor, dumidiskarte. Doctor, nice pass. Balanar, wala. Sinablay ang pasa. Joed, binato. Kay Calvin. Calvin, nice pass. Nice pass na naman. Easy basket by Takda. Lamang ng 5 sila rap-rap. 46-41. Pinasa kay Doctor for 2. Wala, nakuha ni Jomar. Tumatakbo ang blue team. Rap-rap. Pinasa kay Joed. Basket. Time out. 48-41. 7-point lead. Ang lakas ng pasa ni Benji. Time out. White team. Low. Ikaw na lang. Ikaw na lang magsalita. Tabi mo muna yan. Malulobot yan eh.
Ang score po natin ay 41-48. 9 minutes remaining.
PJ Markey. Okay, boss.
Tumunay yung boss. Ang hero, dami natin pinasikaso eh. And, game number 3. Out of bound. Blue ball. Reggie, dribbling the ball. Pass to Kuya Win. For easy to. Wala na kuha ni Reggie. Puta palawa po. Rabi pass to
Jomar.
Jomar Pahardo with 2 points. Score natin 50-41 in favor of Team Blue. Benji Balanar. Benji, pasok ko yung G. Benji to yung win. To Benji.
Sinansal.
Rabi. Looking for 3, pinasakay. Junmar, easy 2. 52-43, favor of Blue.
Ito na po ang ating player of the game, sigurado.
Benji, pass to Kuya Win, to Kuya G, 4, easy 3, wala. Kuya Jong, Kuya Win, 4-2, wala pa rin. Nakuha niya ulit, 4-2, wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Rabi to dribbling the ball, looking for 2, pass to Jumar Kate. Remaining time 4 minutes in the third quarter. Official score 54-43. Lamang ng 11 ang Blue. Kuya Vico, pass to out of bounds. Remaining time 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Good ball. Kuya Vico for 3. Wala na wali. Kuya Win. Pass to Kuya Jean. Pass to Kuya Vic. For 2. Counted. 45-54 in favor of Rabi. Tumira ng 3. Godless. Medyo Kuya Vico for 3. Lista mo na yan.
Bang!
Anim na lamang ang kalamangan ng Blue. 3 minutes left on the clock. Rabi. Pinega. Ay, foul, wala. Wala foul yan, Rab. Nauna ni Merico. To Beji, sinalsal. Wala man.
Sinalsal! Don Reverente!
Ganda. Dribbling the ball to the two. Who's foul red? 69. Lamang kulay blue, 54-48. Lamang ng anim ang blue. 69. Second shot. Counter.
Basket call, isa. Tak-tak.
Kuya G, dribbling the ball. Kuya G, pass to Kuya Joel. Wala. Kulang pa sa masahe. Junmar, pass to Junmar, wala. Nawa ni Little Wonderboy. Tumira na tres.
Bang!
Rabi Morto, sobrang sa pektos, kulang sa kulang. Rabi, gusto tres, wala pa rin. Pinawani, Kuya Joel. Kuya Migo, pass to Kuya G for 3, wala pa rin. Kapimping, the Little Wonderboy. Pass to Kuya Tak.
Oras natin, gol.
Kuya Tak, pass to Rabi. Hindi fade away. Wala. Nawani. Kuya Tak, easy to. Wala pa rin. Kuya Win. Dribbling the ball. Sinalaksa. Wala. Nawani Kuya G for 2.
Foul!
Foul number 24. Kuya Tak. Remaining 5 minutes.
Yo, what's up, G?
Ano masap po tayo?
One minute, 4 seconds. Foul! Basket! Three-point play. Sablay! Sapaboy! Dar! Hey Mike! Oh, Sablay parehas!